Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new, welcome. My name is Chinoyelum. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss a video from me, and also join this amazing family. So today's video, we are in the last phase of this pregnancy, and I'm doing my final prep, like doing my laundry, ironing of clothes. I'll be sharing some tips on shopping for newborn in case you're a new mom and you're planning to go shopping for your newborn baby. I'll be sharing some tips in this video. This video is going to be like a 2 to 3 days video, because if I wash the clothes today, I'm going to be ironing it tomorrow, because it's not possible for me to wash and iron today. You understand? So I'm going to be sharing something, but meanwhile it's just going to be a vlog, be taking you guys along to motivate you in case you want to do clean up or you wash your baby's clothes, or if you're a pregnant mom like me, you also be motivated to do clean up, a little clean up for your newborn baby. Anyway guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share, comment, drop your comment in the comment section of your favorite tips on shopping for newborn. So I'll see you guys later. Please do enjoy the vlog. These are the clothes that I'm going to be washing this morning. These are some of them, are the new ones I got. Like these ones are just new. I just need to wash everything together. This is a full basket of clothes. Then I've sorted the ones that are white or light colored. I want to go and soak these ones now. I want to go and soak them so I can wash them later. But then the ones down are the bed sheets that I use for my other babies, the bed cover, this thing I used to dress the bed. Everything I need to dress the bed is down. Then these up are the clothes I got for the baby, and some of the things. Though some of them are the ones that I use for my other baby girl, are the ones I tied in the nylon, because I sorted them out and tied them separately in the nylon. So that's why you'll be seeing some bags of nylon here, like all these ones. All these ones are old clothes that I'm going to be using for the baby.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my
a quick tip for you when you're shopping for your newborn. When you are shopping for your newborn. As you all know, I'm a mom of 2 and on the way to 3, so I can say I'll have a little experience when it comes to things like this. I might not have the biggest experience or the best experience, but from my own experience, the more you give birth, the more you learn from your previous pregnancy, especially if you've not had a baby before and you're on your journey to becoming a mother. This will help you when you're shopping for your baby. Number 1 tip is, do not shop everything you see in the market. My first baby, I will always go to the internet, Google things, baby essentials, this and that, and I was just writing list. Then when I bought almost all of them, at the end of it, I didn't even use all. Can imagine that. I didn't even use all of it. Shop for the ones that are very essential, like the basic ones that the baby needs. 2, do not do all your shopping at once. Shop bit by bit. Shop for some things that you need at the moment, at least first 3 months of the baby's life. It is that you will need for the first 3 months of the baby life on earth. Then after that, you can go and shop, because when you spend more time with the baby, you know the kind of things that you really need to buy and the ones that you don't really need to buy. Another thing, if you shop everything at once, your baby might be reactive to some materials. Like my son was, till now, he reacts to anything made of wool. So because when I had him, I shopped both cotton, wool, anything I see that enters my eyes. At the end, most of them he didn't wear it because they are made. Whenever he wears it, he will be acting funny and he will now be seeing some kind of rashes all over his body. When we take him to the clinic, they will say it's allergy. And don't go and buy things because another mom is using it, especially things like cream. Don't go and buy it because you say, this cream, this woman says she is using this particular brand and it's good on her skin, on her baby's skin. That doesn't mean your baby's skin will like it. Another tip I have for you is, when you're shopping for your baby, don't go shopping for 0 to 3 months clothes really made for newborn, because you might end up disappointed at the end of the day. The kind of, some babies, their weight might be small, but in body they are big. So some of the newborns too does not even fit newborn. So it's better you buy size up while you're buying. If you buy few of the newborn, don't even buy much of the newborn, because it will even take time for your baby to outgrow it, because babies, they grow really fast. Like this, just like this one that I have here. I was already opening it. This one that I have here, this is by Kata product. This is Kata product. I was already opening before I said let me just show you guys. And this is the last part of the shopping that we did. I've already washed all my baby's clothes, and I'm ironing the ones I've washed, but these ones are not washed yet, so they are yet to be disinfected. But I want to use it as an example for you guys. So look at this one now. This one is small size. In this particular brand, I like the way they do their product, because they're always doing size up. So if it's a 3-in-1 pair, if it's a 3, comes as a 3-in-1, comes with I think 3 to 4 pairs of socks and a few mouth towel for kids. So what they do with their product is, if they're packing the clothes, excuse me, they will put small size, like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 9 months. So in case you buy the product and the first size didn't enter your baby, you will not be stranded. The second one must enter your baby. So this one now, if you watch, this one is 3 to 6 months. This is 3 to 6 months. This one is 6 to 9 months. This is 6 to 9 months. And this is 0 to 3 months. I would suggest, if you're buy products that are like, especially this bodysuit, that comes in in different sizes, so that you don't get stranded on the day you might need it. So if I give birth now, my baby does not fit into this one, definitely this will fit, or this one will fit the baby. So it's better you buy things like this, and consider the quality of, make sure you're buying 100% cotton, because no matter how your child reacts to materials, they don't most, in fact almost every child does not react to pure cotton. So buy 100% cotton for your baby, so you don't have to deal with allergies and reactions. Then this one is also a bodysuit. This is a bodysuit by M. This one comes in 5 pairs. It's 5 pairs. 5 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this one is a 6 to 9 months, but when you look at it, you understand. Also, which means newborn can also wear this. And if you're buying, try buying quality that are thick, because some of them, when you wash them, they will just expand and be looking weak, and the neck will be looking funny and all that. So these are a few tips that I have for you guys. Meanwhile, I got a gift from a friend of mine, Jessica. We've been friends for a long time, but we've never met. So we met for the first time a few weeks ago, and she gave my baby gift. She bought something for my baby, and I've not thanked her for it. So I just decided to use this opportunity to say thank you, Jessica Tonove, for your wonderful gift. I'm sure my baby will love it, and it will be perfect. So this is the gift. This is how it came. It came in this nylon, like this. Inside the nylon, this is the part. This is a slip wear. That's a long sleeve bodysuit, and a diaper, and this cute baby hair packer. This looks really cute. Bodysuit comes in 3 different pack, and the quality is top notch. Like, it looks big, so my baby will be wearing it. It's 3 in 1 also. 1, 2, and 3. So my baby will wear this, I think, from 9 months. This from Nest. So Nest product are always very good. So when you're shopping, please shop for quality things. Don't go and buy because you say, after all, it's not for, is it not baby, how long is it going to wear it? Might I didn't want to open it because I'm not ready to wash it, but it's really cute, especially this one. It is really cute. And it happens that she loves white as much as I do too. So we have one thing in common, Jessica. Thank you so much, Jessica Tonovek. I really appreciate it. I pray this gift brings you lots of gifts and blessings to your way. And may God replenish wherever this money came out from that you used in buying this gift for my baby. May God continue to prosper you and replenish you in Jesus' name. So guys, those are my quick tips for you guys in case you're shopping for newborn. Some things like all this stroller, car seater, what's it called? Carrier, breast pump. Don't buy product because another person made the review that is very fantastic. So it's better you wait, calm down, buy everything gradually. You understand? Especially like me, bra. If I buy bra before I give birth, my breast always increases like ×2 when I give birth. My first baby, all the bras I bought, I couldn't wear it even till today because my breast, it couldn't fit my breast after I had my baby. So it taught me a lesson. Most time I would just buy one single bra. Then when I give birth, I enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you find it very interesting, and I will see you guys in my next one.